Peter, that's awful. I'm gonna save you the trouble. Previously. What's up, guys? Getting ready to head down to Orlando right now. Got the food. So we got delayed. It was like pouring the rain. We're having technical difficulties here. Yeah, there you go. So it's probably about maybe 3 fingers. So we're gonna split it in half. And it says it's supposed to stop. What time? 7?
Around 7.
There is a, oh my gosh. Where is he going? There's our Uber. Oh, there he comes.
He's doing a circle.
There he comes.
Just doing a circle.
There he comes. Disney Springs, here we come. Peter, we're here.
We're here! Disney Springs.
Yay.
Look, happy holidays. Hello.
Oh wow, happy holiday. That's old. Should I take a chance? Should I take a chance?
No, come over there.
Not with the camera. Oh. What? Alright, what time is it? 6:23.
Alright, we gotta walk over.
Yeah, you know where we're at. Look, we're at the Rainforest Cafe. Here you go, Mom. We're at the Rainforest Cafe. This is where we originally were gonna eat, but then we did a Facebook poll on where we should eat, and Facebook said that we should do the boathouse, so we got reservations there instead. But guys, have you eaten here at the Rainforest? Let me know in the comments down below. What did you get? Let me know. A+ for presentation.
Yeah,
A+.
look at that. There's smoke coming off the water.
Right. Paddlefish. What restaurant is that?
That's the one that's actually on the boat. So that's on a boat.
And does the boat leave? Like it
No,
moves?
it just sits
Oh.
there. But there's the boathouse.
Oh!
That's where we're eating.
That's where we're eating. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, look, it's just gonna be like, wow, look at that, wow. I should have worn my WOW shirt today. Get yours now, joshhookham.com. Oh, look, it's the Lego store.
It's got Woody and Buzz out there.
Yeah, I love this boat. Oh my goodness. The only thing that would make this better is if it actually went out.
Yeah, right.
Like not even far, just like maybe right there and then back. Here's the T-Rex. This was actually recommended too. Huh. Oh, I love this water, Peter. Look at this. Look at the color of this water. Oh my gosh. I know, we're like so late. Like it's 6:28 and we have to get all the way over there for the meet and greet, but oh, it's just too pretty. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It looks like something out of like a movie.
It does, like with the trees.
Yes. Oh, just so, so pretty, guys. Check that out. Wow. Bye, guys. Oh, that was so much fun. That was, oh wait, we gotta go this way? Okay. That was so much fun. Had a great time hanging out, meeting some new faces. I didn't really film it for you guys because I wanted to, I wanted to give them my full attention and everything. But we had fun with that. We'll do more of them in the future, maybe. So let's see. It is 7, right? 7 o'clock.
Yes.
Our reservation's at 7:30, so we got 30 minutes. Let's go explore, Peter.
Yes.
Let's do it. Yeah. Here's where they have. Is it the amphitheater? What's it called?
Oh, this is where the cars go out.
Oh, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. So these are the cars that are, it's like $100 for 30 minutes.
For the
but
cars that go in the water.
Yeah, it's literally like a model car that like can drive in the water. I bet you they're not running them right now. Because it's so nasty.
See, this is,
oh, they're not, look, there they are. They're literally all covered up. Wow.
let's go with it.
Yeah. Here's where we're gonna be eating. What? Look at that. What is that thing?
That is crazy.
That is. Oh, look. Aw. Oh, cute. Yeah, but see, there's like these cars right here.
Yeah.
Come here. Yeah, here they are. That is so neat. It's like these cars, and then they also have like a rudder under them, so they just drive down into the water.
This actually turns. This circle thing. This circle thing turns, so like the car drives up, and then this circle turns around.
Oh, so the wheels don't actually turn. Because then that's why.
Yeah.
You know.
Like this whole thing turns. That cement piece.
Oh. Wow.
That's how they go in and out.
That is so neat. Like Disney thinks of everything. They really do. Here we go. We're gonna take the little ferry boat. That thing right there, actually. We're gonna take that just around the place. I would love to go. That balloon costs money, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's like 25, I think, per person.
Yeah, but it's probably, well, not probably. It is, yeah, it is closed right now. Yeah. It's not open right now, you know, with the weather and everything. Great option, a free option here in Disney Springs. It's really nice, and you really get to see the whole what, like, gist of it, right? Like the whole gist of the park. I want to call it a park. It kind of is. Yeah, it really is though. It's like a destination in itself. It really is, and it's completely free. Right. You know, we're just riding out here on the water. It's nice and calm. The boat's not rocky. It's super relaxing, handicap accessible. So highly recommended. It's 7:10, so we got about 20 minutes for our reservations at the boathouse. I cannot wait. Guys, Disney is amazing. So our boat driver, he literally just made, we rode around with him. We rode around the whole thing, and like we were, you know, having a conversation with him or whatever. And at the end of it, like we're walking off, and he made some Disney magic up here, guys. So we got like these little tokens that says Disney Transport, and it just has this cute little design on the back. I don't think they do anything. I think it's just like a little souvenir, but it's so cool. Like we got some Disney magic tonight. We did. How fun is that? That was fun. I loved it. Yeah, that was nice. I had a great time. So it is 7:23. We're heading over here to the boathouse right now. It's time to have some good seafood. Are you ready, Peter? I am so ready. Woo! Oh wow. Oh my god. Check that out. Oh, whoa. Is it too early? I mean, 5 minutes before. I think it's okay. Yeah, we'll be good. Yeah. Oh, look, it's like the thing on the Titanic. Wow, right? Like you want to do it, don't you? Oh, Peter. Wow, here we are, guys. It looks so nice in here. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna be eating outside tonight. Thank you. Oh, this is perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is literally, this is perfect. Look at our view. Look at this. We are like legit on the water. And then over here's Peter's view. Look, there is lights in the water. Oh my God, Peter, I am so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Oh. So we're here at the boathouse. Let me show you guys the menu really quick so you can see. Now this was recommended. I told you guys earlier, you know, we did like a Facebook, poll. We originally had the Rainforest book, but you know, a couple of my friends was like, there's a lot other restaurants in Disney that you should try, you know, because Rainforest is in a lot of places. And so we did, and Boathouse won. So I'm happy to show you guys. Here is the menu for it. Not sure at all what we're gonna be getting yet. But pause the video and let me know what you guys would have. Here's the first page. Okay, and then let's see. Yes, it's folded in half. So then here is the second half. There you go. So let me know what would you guys get, and then of course the prices are listed there on the side. There's some very expensive stuff, like this $59 WR Chicago cut ribeye. But that's for 2 people, so cut that in half. Oh, that's what 30, yeah, that's like 30 bucks. Yeah, so that's a $30 steak. I mean, you know, for a nice restaurant like this with an amazing view. Yeah. I mean, you definitely cannot get this view. You may be able to get a cheaper steak at Longhorn, but what Longhorn do you know that has a view like this? You know? Wow, just amazing. Yeah, I think. Do you want to do that, or is there like a substitute? You can substitute, yes. So there is a size to share that you can substitute. There'll be just a $2 upcharge. Okay. Well, what's the thing? Because like they both come with fries, right? Yes. Yes. So maybe we should try something else. You can do Brussels sprouts. Alright guys, so we just ordered our food. I ended up getting the panko crusted fish, which I think, what did she say it was? Atlantic
Cod.
Atlantic cod.
Yeah.
And it comes with fish and chips. And then Peter ended up getting
The filet mignon sliders with like butter sauce. So we're kind of doing like the steak and
yeah, so he's gonna give me one of his sliders. I'm gonna give him a piece of my fish, and then we're just gonna kind of compare. Yeah, and he got mac and cheese with his as well. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
But guys, look at this bread that they just brought us. Oh my goodness, it looks absolutely delicious, Peter. How about, all right, here, you pull that one, I'll pull this one. Ready, set.
A slice of warm.
Pull, pull, pull. Oh, looks like I get all 3. 3 seconds, describe it, go.
Amazing. It's sweet, it's buttery, it's dripping with like butter.
Oh, it's just so flavorful, guys. The bread is literally like, oh. Peter, I can't breathe. I cannot breathe. This is the most amazing meal. It really is. Wow.
It's Disney magic.
I mean, I saw you guys doing all this recording.
Yes, thank you. Make it better. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, you guys are great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Everything good?
Yes, delicious, delicious.
so good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here's my card. If you need anything, feel free to let me know.
Thank you so much. I sure will, Mr. Rob. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
It got better. How could you?
Yes, amazing. Guys, the service here at Disney.
It's
oh my god. You really can't touch it. You cannot touch it. I like it. Oh. So we do have our food here at the boathouse. Check it out. So I got the panko crusted cod, and it, oh my goodness guys, it is just spectacular. Look at that, there's a new word for you, spectacular.
T-shirt with that on it.
Yeah, now we need a t-shirt with it, we don't have that.
I already started eating mine.
Yeah, Peter got the mac and cheese and the filet mignon sliders. They both look absolutely fantastic. The sun has come out. Can you tell on my face? Am I glowing?
Yes.
Am I glowing?
You are glowing.
The sun has come out, but it's also raining, and there's a rainbow back here. How perfect of an evening. It really, guys, I don't think it could get much better than this. I really don't. Overall, just a great start to vacation. You know, I was a little scared earlier, you know, when we landed and there was a delay and then the weather, but it has just turned out to be a fabulous evening. It's not over. Wow, guys, so just finishing up our main courses here. Peter, what did you think? Did you enjoy it?
The service was outstanding.
Really, truly was. The service, the view, the whole experience, the food. The food was fantastic. I mean, Peter actually asked for mac and cheese without any red pepper because he doesn't like spicy stuff. Well, they accidentally put it on there. They took it right back, got him a fresh new one, no issue, no problem.
Plate,
yeah, in bigger portion.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's delicious now, right?
It's great.
Oh, just the view. I mean, check it out. Look how gorgeous. Just honestly, I don't know that it could get any more perfect than this right now. So we really have had an amazing, amazing time. We're gonna be popping over on Facebook in just a second, doing a Facebook Live for them, showing them what's up. If you're not following me over on Facebook, Josh Hokum YT, make sure you head over there so you can stay the most up to date on all our latest cruising adventures. Before that though, I do want to show you guys, here's the dessert menu. We think we're just gonna get the key lime pie and we're gonna split it, because then we're gonna go to Ghirardelli after this and they give free chocolate samples as soon as you walk in. So we don't need that much sweets, but here is the list there if you guys wanted. Oh, there's the backside too, Peter. Oh, this is, I think this is drinks. Admiral Selection, yeah, whiskey, bourbon, and scotch.
A lot of drinks.
So yeah, there that is, guys. Good decisions, good stuff. Really have enjoyed it here at the Boathouse. This was a great decision. If you cannot decide on a restaurant here in Disney Springs, I highly recommend the Boathouse. And we had a fabulous time, we really did. So, look at this, guys. Dessert came. We actually got the key lime in a mason jar, and it looks divine. I cannot believe it. I am just wow, 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 wow. Okay, here's now joshhokum.com. Peter, are you ready? Are you excited to dig into this? Me too.
There's a cinnamon stick in there.
Let's do it, son. I'm gonna do mine on camera. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Vito, that's awful. I'm gonna save you the trouble. You don't need to eat any of that. Just leave it to me, I'll sacrifice, okay?
Thank you so much.
Wow. All right, that is it, Mr. Guagliano. We are done here. Did you enjoy it?
That was amazing.
I had a fabulous time, guys. Like I said, you know, I've already said my piece. If you're thinking about the boathouse as a eatery option, that's the one you should choose. Next time, am I glowing blue? Epcot's doing their fireworks. May the back be with you. Wow. Look at this. Biggest Disney store. This is literally the best. That's alright. So nice. We're going back to Disney Springs.